Hey peeps, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to switch it up a little bit. I am partnering up with Kristian of Kristian Loren. I've known Kristian for like, who knows how many years. For this video, we have decided to throw 3 looks into a shopping cart and then swap carts. The person that receives the cart needs to guess which look the other person would wear to a New Year's Eve party. This is going to be interesting to see, 1, if Kristian knows my style, and 2, if she's even going to guess what I will wear to this New Year's Eve party. Stay tuned to see if we guess the correct looks for each other. Okay, let's see what's in her cart. Okay, first we have this embellished clutch. Cute, cute, cute little ladybug. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, Balenciaga sneakers, going with the ugly sneaker trend. Funny thing that she picked this because this is also in my cart. All right, so we got the Yves Saint Laurent crystal bralette. Cute. Okay, some boyfriend jeans. I've definitely seen her wear this kind of jean before, so who knows, this could be a strong contender. Okay, all right. A bi-color blazer, some color blocking. I've definitely seen her design with color blocking as well, so who knows. All right, so for the first look, looks like we got that color blocking blazer with the boyfriend jeans, a little crystal bralette, and the Balenciaga sneakers. This is definitely a look that she would wear, but let's see what else she has in her cart. All right, so for look 2, we got the Alexander McQueen's. All right, with a little pop of red, very festive, very holiday without doing too much. Ooh, very festive. Got a red jacket. All right, so this is a New Year's party, but it looks like she's doing red accents, so let's see. We got the Nina Ricci cargo pants. Those are actually really cute, and I wouldn't have thought of these for New Year's, but let's see what else she has in her cart. This is making me doubt. I don't know, because I've seen her do the pink and red color scheme before as well. I don't know. It's getting tough, y'all. It's getting tough. All right, let's see what top she picked out. Okay. All right, we have a bandeau top. This is cute. All right, this is cute. All right, and then let's see what bag she picked out. Okay, this is cute. Oh my God, I don't know which one. Look 3. I don't think this really looks like her, so let's see what else is in the look. Amina Mwadi. I hope I'm saying that correctly. These boots are really cute though, and I could see her wearing these boots. I could definitely see her wearing these shorts. Let's keep going. Now, okay, this might be the dead giveaway because we know Kristian Loren loves a good fur coat. Okay, this might be a dead giveaway, but I don't know if she's just putting this in there to throw me off. So, I'm leaning towards this look. Let's see what the earrings are. Okay, cute, simple. I like these a lot, actually. Jennifer Fisher, okay. All right, so, okay, let me see. Let me review my options and try to weed out anything that looks like crazy. Okay, so for look 1, we had this black and white blazer, the boyfriend jeans, a little crystal bralette to go underneath, and this ladybug clutch. All right, she's really throwing me off because she knows that I know her, and she would definitely wear these jeans from the first look. So, okay, look 1 is a contender. Look 2 is cute, but I am going to have to say no to look 2 just because there's some items in here that I've never seen her wear before. I mean, she would wear a bandeau for sure, but like, I'm going to say no to look 2, all right? So now it's between look 1 and look 3. Now look 3, this top, I wasn't really sure about this top. I don't know if I would see her wearing this to a New Year's Eve party. I've never seen her wear anything like this, so I'm not sure. That's throwing me off. The boot, for sure. The shorts, sure. The coat, Absolutely. And then the earrings, why not? So, oh my goodness, this is tough. All right, so, oh my God, this is so hard. Which one is more festive? Also, she's not really a big sneaker person. So now that I think about it, I'm going to lean towards look 3. My vote is for look 3, which would be the layered tulle and crepe blouse with the over the knee boot, as well as the denim little shorty shorts and the big pink fur coat with the simple silver hoops. That's my vote, guys. Let's see if I'm right. I put money on this that I'm right, but let's find out.
Okay, Sierra, confession. I threw in that long faux fur coat to throw you off. I know. I mean, you're right. You know me. I love a faux fur coat. Like, how many have you seen me wear over the years? I love them. I'm obsessed. And you know I'll wear them shorts. It's interesting. You said you didn't think I would wear that type of top. I wore like mesh tops with like a tank or something underneath it, even a bralette. I would wear that top. It's enough. It's the right amount of sexy and coverage at the same time with the shorts and those knee boots, girl. You know, yes, you see me wear that, and I would wear that. I would wear that every day. However, the winning look is look number 2, the red bandeau top with the red blazer over the cargo pants with the ugly sneakers and the Versace earrings. I will wear that to a New Year's Eve party. 1, because it's sexy. 2, the red is very vibrant and festive, and you know I love wearing a red lip. And I don't know, I just like to wear reds. I don't know, it's one of my favorite colors, especially during the holidays. That's what I like to wear. And you know me, girl. You know I am the person that dances all night long, right? So that outfit provides comfort, it provides sex appeal, it provides movement and agility. You know I like to get down and dip it low. So that's why that's my winning look for me. I threw in look number 3 to throw you off. Like, it was bait and you fell for it. I'm sorry, but in full honesty, I would wear all of those looks. I would, okay? But for a New Year's Eve party, I think I'm leaning towards look number 2. I loaded my cart. I sent it off to her. She just sent me her links in her cart. So I'm about to go through them and see what items I think she will wear to this New Year's Eve party. So let's get started.
Hey peeps, so I've sent over to Chris all my selections for a New Year's Eve party. I'm wondering if she's gonna be able to guess what I'm gonna wear. I try to throw her off a little bit, but at the same time, she does know me pretty well.
Hey, let's see what she's sent us. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I see here she has some Swarovski's crystal earrings. Okay, let's see what else she has in the cart. Tom Ford chain mini sequin metallic leather clutch. Let's look at the different angles of this bag. Let's see what the third link is. For the first look, a black blazer. Very Sierra. She loves black. That is her favorite, like, fashion color. I mean, I guess we're all guilty of loving black, but like, this girl lives in black, okay? You know. All right, got it. Black blazer, Stella McCartney blazer. How you doing? And then the fourth link, what is this? She got this. Oh, I guess we sent the same thing. She sent the same Saint Laurent silver tone crystal bralette as I did. So that is hilarious. I love it. Clearly I'm a fan. Okay, that is so funny. Okay. What else she sent over? She sent some Mugler high waist trousers with the cutout. Okay, waistband. All right, that's cute. And the last link for the first look is an Alexander Wang Julie Crystal embellished suede slingback sandals. You guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. When I was sending her my cart, I had so much fun shopping. I had no budget for the first time in my life. I didn't have a limit on shopping. It was amazing. Even though it's not real, it's make pretend, it felt so good. Listen, I think by the end of me shopping and filling up my cart, it was worth like $20,000 worth of merchandise for me. So I wonder how much her cart was. But okay, I see her first look, very cute, similar to mine almost, but I dig it. So let's check out the second look. Her second look is a white dress. Is this sequin? Oh no. Let's see a close up. Oh, it is sequin. Interesting. One thing about Sierra, she's very classic. She's very like modest as well. She is a leg girl. She loves showing off her legs. Not so much showing off her cleavage. The most cleavage she will do is about like right here. She's very modest. So this look is giving legs, what she likes to give, but I feel like it's giving too much legs. So, but let's see what the rest of this look consists of.
She thinks she know me.
Okay, she is into this crystal embellished look, totally. She has some crystal embellished shoes. They're really cute, by the way. She loved herself a high heel sandal.
Of course.
This is totally her. Very cute though. I dig it. I would wear these too. It's giving me Great Gatsby, but really cute, right? She has a Judith Lieber bag for her accessories. Hilarious. Oh, that's super cute. Okay. I love it. It's so tiny.
Slowly trying to cover my little bag.
But you know, that's why you have a date, so they can carry all your stuff. That is super cute. I dig it. I would totally wear that bag. Okay, so the last thing for this look is an Amina Muaddi silver tone crystal earrings. Those are really chic. I can see her wearing these. This is hilarious.
I'm like, why is she giggling at my choices?
All right. Look 3, we have here, oh, okay. It's another mini dress, okay, but it's spaghetti strap, right?
It's New Year's Eve after all. Gotta let it out.
Back with straps. You know, embellished like beading. It's super cute. You know, I don't think this is her. I don't think this is her look. You know, it's super cute, but in my entire 20 plus years that I've known her, I've never really seen her wear a spaghetti strap mini skirt. Sorry, a spaghetti strap mini dress, right? Like, I've never seen her wear that. And it's a lot of cleavage. It's giving a lot of cleavage. Sierra does not give cleavage. If she's going to give anything, it's going to be legs or, you know, she's just not coming. You know, she's just not going to go. But that's super cute. Okay, so let's see what else this look consists of. Earrings, very chic and classic. Okay, yeah. She's so classy. Ooh, this bag. Ooh, this bag is bringing back memories. It's giving me like 10th grade Safa vibes, but it's super cute. It's by Colt Gaia. But let me just take a look at all 3 looks again to see which one I think she'll wear. I have to guess her final look, what she will wear to a New Year's Eve party.
She's never gonna get it. I don't think she will. Let's see.
Let me see. Let me go back and look. Okay. So, look 1. Okay, look 1 was the blazer. Okay, right? I think I know my answer. Look 1 was the blazer. Stella McCartney blazer. The crystallized bralette top, right? See, that's the thing. Like, she is not known to have her boobs out. That's why it's throwing me off a little bit. But she loves a blazer. She lives for a blazer, girl. Right? And these high-waist trousers. And then second look is this mini dress. Like I said, she is a leg girl, right? She's very modest. She likes to be sexy, but not like in your face sexy, you know? Not like, bam, guess who walked in the room sexy? Like, she just commands it subtly. That's her thing. So with all that said, I'm thinking my final answer is look 2 with the blouson sleeve mini dress as embellished with sequin and crystals, is white. I'm thinking this is my answer, but let me take a look at look 3 one more time. Like I said, my entire 20 plus years that since I've known Sierra, I met Sierra, I've never, ever seen her wear a spaghetti strap mini dress. I've seen her wear a spaghetti strap maxi summer dresses, but never no spaghetti strap mini dress. Like, I feel like it's too much for her. It's a lot of skin out for her. She don't like a lot of skin out. So I think after reviewing all 3 looks, her final look that she's going to wear to a New Year's Eve party is look number 2, right? Look number 2, which is the mini dress, long sleeve, subtle plunge neckline. What do you call it? Empire waist, but it's tapered at the hips. Mini dress, shows the legs all flattering, gives a little bit of cleavage, still give coverage and still give sex appeal. I think that is the look, and that is my answer. So let's see if I'm correct.
I could see why Chris would think that number 2 would be the look that I selected, but it's actually not. The look that I selected is actually look number 1. I just love like a classic look, and I like the idea of wearing like a suit type look on New Year's, and then just giving that little bit of razzle dazzle with the bralette. You know, the rest of the outfit is all black, so you got to bring in a little somewhere. And then of course all the earrings are like classic statement pieces, and then of course we gotta step through with the Tom Ford bag, you know, in an Alexander Wang sling bag. Comment below which look you thought that I was going to select, or which look you would select. There you have it. I guess we didn't know each other's style as good as we thought we did. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.